Okay, so in a previous video, I hydro dipped makeup onto my face, made a little template of makeup, and then just dipped my face into it. Wow, it looks so good. And today, I painted my face white, and then we're gonna hydro dip my face onto my face, and call my sister, see what she thinks. This video is sponsored by Omaze. Enter for your chance to win a beautiful dream house or become an instant millionaire. So, first thing I did was take a picture of my face and then scale it to size and then cut it out and smush it down flat. And then I had that video where I did the makeup, and so I had to film with the makeup and then I had to film my face. I was gonna test it out. So to hydro dip it, I just got a big old tank full of water, and then I just laid down my face, let it sit for a second, and then sprayed it with the activator. And then I had a styrofoam head that I wanted to test out the makeup on. And so I'm like, oh, first I gotta hydro dip my face onto the styrofoam head, see if the makeup will work. So that's what I did. Hydro dipped the face and then the makeup. And then after I got that all done, I was like, maybe I should try this to my own face. And so that's what we did. Terrifying. First thing I had to do is get my face all white. So I thought if I took some Elmer's glue stick and just glued down my mustache and my eyebrows, then I could have like an actual solid white and like a smooth surface for the hydro dipping. Yeah, that's my thought. Should work. Just gotta let it dry, drink some kombucha. I love kombucha. My stomach loves kombucha. So it's all dry, and here is my face white thing. Am I doing this right? Is that how I show off makeup? That's the stuff. So I just applied it on vigorously, generously. I don't know what word I'm looking for, but I applied it on beautifully. Look at those eyelashes. I'm kind of tempted to, just always put I don't even know the word for mascara. White mascara.
This is so stupid. So assuming because of the nature of this as face makeup, it's probably okay if it gets in my eyes. But I probably don't want globs of it in my eyeballs, and I have some in my eyes. I hate this. I love it. Alright, a couple more touch-ups, and then we'll let it dry.
And with it all dry, just had to set up the camera again, put my hair up. I should have done that when I was applying the makeup. And put the tank back on. Put down one of those faces, and here goes nothing. Let's see how this looks.
Alright, so here's the deal. I don't trust this on my face. I want to go wash it off ASAP Rocky, because my eyes, I like my eyes. I want to keep them. But I also want to FaceTime my sister real quick and see what she says. FaceTime Christina BFF. Hello? Okay. Let's see what I can do with the paper towel first. This is so dumb. Okay. I'm not as panicky now. There was a second that my vision went blurry. I'm like, oh, this isn't good. So maybe don't do that. And that could be cool to do it with like white face paint that was water resistant, but also I don't know if I want that on my face.
Oh, but you're gonna get it on your face. Because in the hydro dip video of the makeup, I said that if this video got like 1,000 views in a month, and I would do an additional face. And it did, so then people told me to do Lady Gaga, Albert Einstein, the face of Picasso, Mr. Bean, Jack Nicholson, Salvador Dali, the Clay Mason intro, someone from anime would be cool, me, your sister, or the mailman, or Ruby's face. And so just kept on going through comments. Oh, the drag queen of like Trixie, that would be cool. I saw one down here. Let's see. Nicolas Cage. You guys don't know of my love for Nicolas Cage, but that or Danny DeVito I thought would be funny. So let's look up some of them pictures. I do have a big old crush on Nicolas Cage, and he has so many good faces. And then Danny DeVito. Also, this photo right here of Danny DeVito and Eric Andre. I don't. I love it so much. But that's the picture. That's the picture I decided with. So that's what we're gonna go with. I just had to put it onto Photoshop and scale it to size and try to make it kind of fit my last face template. And there we go. But before I show you that, oh, I have corn here because isn't corn called maize? So, super big thank you to today's sponsor, Maize. But for real, super stoked to be working with Maize to be able to offer you guys a chance to win one of their biggest prizes yet, which is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 4-bath dream house in Austin, Texas, or become an instant millionaire. $1.3 million. So with your entry, you'll actually be helping out a foundation called Folds of Honor. I'm so envious of whoever wins this experience of getting a dream home in Austin, Texas. So if you win, you gotta invite me. I think that's like the rule. Also me, just daydreaming about all the different things, all the ways I would decorate the house, or like the little changes I would make, or the animals that I would have out there in cute little Austin, Texas, or honestly maybe just become an instant millionaire. Could be fun. I think I would immediately go on vacation. I could use a vacation. You could use a vacation. So do yourself a favor and donate $10 for your chance to win this dream house of mine and yours, or become an instant millionaire. And you can just go to the link in the description. It is omaze.com/Shmoxd, and good luck. Corn jokes. So it's been like a month since that first face dip, so I forgot how to, paint my face white. So good thing I have this video that I can watch to paint my face. What a funny little bit. So there we go. First you gotta add this. Oh, and if you're thinking to yourself, Mr. Shmoxd's looking a little homeless, it's because I am. But hopefully I get this house. It should close tomorrow. Anyways, so I just had to put on this glue. Wow, what a great tutorial. Put it on your eyebrows, put it everywhere, and you're good. Let it dry. I put it all over my beard, thinking that, I don't know if we can even call that a beard. It looked kind of fun purple. If I had a beard, maybe I'd dye it purple. So let it dry, and then add the white face stuff. But we're not going to use the water soluble ones. We're going to use the water resistant. Wow, great. So let's put that on my hand, and then applied it with a brush. Maybe? Are you going to do it? Oh, here you go. And something about this paint was like, it would like evaporate, and the fumes would go right in my eyeball. Super made you want to cry. So with that all done, we got the film, and I had the people print it on both sides, front and back, so it made it look kind of like drunk Nicolas Cage. I wonder if that's what he sees every time he looks in the mirror. I don't know. Do you think he's a drunk boy? Anyways, so I taped that up, and then got my water back and just tested it. I also changed the background of that water. Thought it was kind of fun. Put down the film and just let it do its business, where then it turns liquidy, and I activate it. And the moment I got on the table, it just got so shaky, and I forgot that last time I had the table like screwed into the wall so it wouldn't move, but it was moving so bad and it was losing all of its stuff, and I'm just like, I gotta make a decision and dip my face anyways. And so then I did it, and it just, I missed my target. Also, some of the ink in the film just was there, so it didn't really work very well, and I only had the one copy because I'm a silly boy. But I do have some leftover film from previous projects, so I just moved the table back against the wall. Thought maybe then it would help out a little bit. Put the background back in because I like it, and tried this one. This is from when I put my face on the bottom of my shoe, and it's kind of old. I was hoping it would work, and it kind of did, but partly didn't. Like, just the film, I don't know. Also, I missed my face again. See there, some of the film just did not come off, and I'm looking terrifying. That's not right. So then I had one more film left over from the hydrated up makeup thing, so I thought I'd try to do my face again, and it's still kind of moving, but somehow I still was able to get it right on target, almost. Kind of missed a little bit. And I feel like maybe if I used face paint that like matched my skin tone a little bit, or maybe it was not completely white, it would work better. or if I made the saturation on the photo a little bit more dark, but here we go. I'm a monster.
FaceTime Christina BFF. It's getting worse.
It is getting worse. Actually, I'm camping.
Oh, you're camping? Oh, I didn't get a screen recording of it.
Oh no. Okay. Hee You're really do look insane.
I'm losing it. Okay, love you guys.
Love you.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Love you. Bye.
So, if you guys want, I'll do another video where we like troubleshoot this and make it work. Maybe like go out and like see if people can guess who I am. But also, if you're done with me trying to hide it in my face, I wouldn't be that mad. Kind of just up to how well this video performs in the comments. So, all right, cool.
Don't forget to go to amaze.com/Shmoxd for your chance to win that beautiful Austin, Texas house or $1 million. Alright, so be sure to like and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that bell notification. And yeah, if you want to be a Shmoody Pie and get your name on my video here at the end, just go to my website.